Hey friends, happy Monday. Good morning. It is bright and early, or gray and early if you're in the rain zone of Michigan. Um, First off, this deal comes from Instagram from a lady by the name of Rebel Deals. Shout out to her. This is in fact her deal. She posted it last night and I tried it first thing this morning and the inventory is still in stock. Specifically, what we're looking for, guys, are these boxes of the VICKS Vapo drops. They come in 20 counts. You're either going to get the menthol for $1.29 or the cherry for 99 cents. Now, both of these say that they are not sold in stores. Maybe if you live in a really big city, you might be able to find them. But if you're in a situation like me, I have to order it online because it's not sold at my local store. So you buy 2 of them and there's a 3 off of 2 coupon that's attaching, and it makes them completely for free. And for the checkout, I just want to explain something. I initially bought the cherry, but then I thought, if I'm sick, I really want to taste that menthol, or I might not even be able to taste it if I have a cold, but I just wanted the menthol in the end because I always think that it's doing a lot more than a cherry cough drop. So that's why the numbers are a little skewed at the end, and I'll show you that. Because there's a difference between a balance of 15 cents or 12 cents. So if you're just like, hey, the math doesn't make sense, that's why. Because initially I was going to buy cherry, and then at the last minute I'm like, I want menthol. And then I deleted the photo, so apologies in advance. Okay, so thanks for that boring story. We're going to need this digital loaded, which is a 3 off of 2, and it says save $3 on 2 VICKS Vapo products, excludes the trial and travel size. Well, this is a box of the cough drops, so it is neither of those, so it is in fact attaching. So you're going to load this, and all digital coupons are of a one-time use, so you can do this once per store card, just to answer that question. So initially I was going to buy the cherry, so you would add 2 of these to your cart. So either the 99 cent or the ones for $1.29. Maybe they're trying to clear these ones for 99 cents. That's why they're a little bit less, but I don't know why there's 2 different prices online, guys. But whichever one you want, it still amounts to being extremely cheap. So in my cart here, guys, I'm adding the 2. So you would just press that button plus 2. And if you look at the bottom left-hand corner, it says applied. And that $3 coupon gets reduced down to $1.98. So there is no overage with coupons on Walgreens.com. It just gets reduced down to the cost. So there it is at $1.98. And here's the pretty little chorus line. So my 2 cough drops, $1.98. The shipping's $5.99. The tax is at 0 right now because it hasn't been aggregated yet, but my manufacturer coupon is subtracting the $1.98. So the new price point is $5.99, which is quite a bit. So let's not opt for that to get it shipped to our home. What you're going to do is have it shipped to the store, and you can pick it up at the store. And so ship free to store, you're going to click that little link when you hit the shipping segment of checkout. So make sure that you have that clipped to pick it up at your local store. Okay, so my 2 items is $2.58. I'm opting for the free shipping. I'm going to pick it up at the store. My tax is there. Subtracting the coupon, I have to pay 15 cents tax. And I went with the menthol ones. If you go with the cherry, I think it's 12 cents tax. In Michigan, you have to pay tax for the medication, but I know in some other states, you don't even have to pay tax. I think Texas, you don't have to pay tax on medication. I might be wrong though, but like 1 or 2 states, it's completely for free. But here in Michigan, you have to pay for the tax for this purchase. Okay, guys, I have the sneakiest suspicion this one is going to go very, very quickly. They usually keep, a certain amount of units in a warehouse, and once it's gone, it's gone. If you can't get a hold of this today, I would check again, maybe Wednesday, Thursday evening. They usually have a restock, or later, even on a Saturday. Whenever I make these sort of videos, the stuff gets cleared out of the warehouse really quick. And just follow the instructions exactly as specified. It's only for 2 of these cough drops, and it's once per store card. So good luck. Get on this one right away. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.